Looking to start a business on the internet? Thousands have started an online business who never thought they could. Discover how easy it is to start your own business. Are you thinking about starting an internet business but not sure where to start? Or have you ever wondered how people are starting their own successful businesses? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this will be one of the most important videos you will watch. Starting an internet business is easier than ever. Many new entrepreneurs just like you already know about the benefits of having their own internet business, like having the ability to work from anywhere, and the freedom to make your own schedule. Just imagine, not being tied to a cubicle in an office building or not having to make money for someone else. Guess what? You are not alone. This is what exactly appeals to many potential entrepreneurs, leading them to start their own online business. Unfortunately, 95% of internet businesses fail, meaning many will not make it past the first year. Many eager new business owners fail to recognize that there are critical elements that must be done in order to have a successful business. Start by laying a solid foundation, is the number one step that is often overlooked. Fortunately, in the link below there is an awesome 12-chapter ebook that will give you the information you need to set a very solid foundation for your business so that you can be among the 5% that are successful with a long-lasting profitable online business. Allow me to introduce to you, the Internet Business Startup Kit. In this book you will get a list of topics that are the most important to starting an online business. Topics range from registering your business all the way down to money management. It's easy to read and follow. Plus, it's a fraction the price than what you think it is. Ask yourself, can a $5 investment change your life? The answer is yes, it can. Stop searching around YouTube and piecing together information. Get this ebook that gives you the steps you need. Starting a business is a journey and you need the right map to accomplish the required first steps. Please click the link below to start your journey.